Hey guys, this is my bike check. Alright, I got some fit grips. Pretty nice. Comfortable. They feel kind of like ODIs, just softer. I didn't cut the flanges off. I plan on getting brakes. I got Odyssey power ends and tan. Some S&M race light bars. Crappy stock GT top load stem. Sucks wiener. FSA impact headset. Amber Lexicon forks, Odyssey Odyssey Aiken tire in the front, 2.25 red walled. Stolen roulette rim laced to a stolen roulette hub, black, awesome. Yeah. FBM Berserker version 1 frame in IROC blue. Just Mission plastic seat post combo. It's got an integrated C-clamp.
I had to do that.
I got Animal Hamilton PC pedals. Gold. I think that's the color. My cranks are crappy. I got an Eastern non-drive and a Salt drive side crank arm. Stolen Eternity Ring sprocket. Stolen revolver bottom bracket. PP. Oh, my chain sucks wiener. It broke on me like 3 times. It's a shadow with an amber. Eastern Fungi flyer tire. And an Animal Javelin hub with an Animal RS rim. Alright guys, my bike check. See you later. Beep.